So in this video I'm going to explain you WordPress tutorial for beginners. So if you have not watched my previous video, I have created a blog website. So I have just installed WordPress. So if you want to watch that video, the link is down below. So now I'm going to explain you the backend and WordPress tutorial for beginners. So guys, let's begin. And before I begin, guys, if you don't know me, my name is Yawar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online business or online brand and how to start making money. So let's begin, guys. So this is your WordPress dashboard. Okay, I'm just going to explain you each and everything. So if you have any questions later, just message me in the comments. So currently in my last tutorial, I've explained you how to install this theme. Okay, so now the first things first. Okay, so let's go step by step. This is your post. Okay, if I click add new, I'm going to write sample post. Okay, you can write sample data over here, sample data. You can write everything over here. Now the next thing is, what you could do is you can change the font size to big, small, however you want. Okay, and just keep it normal. If you want, you can change it to heading, list, however you want. And the next thing which is really important is a feature image. So I'm gonna upload a sample image just to show you. So I'm just gonna install how to install WordPress, or this is one of my thumbnails. So I'm just gonna install that. We're just gonna upload it. So this is the image. I'm gonna set feature image. I'm gonna publish and publish. So now this is your post. So we can go visit site. As you could see, my image is over here. Okay. The second thing is, if you want to delete a page, it's really easy. Again, all posts, you could click over here, move to trash, and this is how you delete a post. So now if I come over here, refresh, so I can only see 2 posts. Media is where all your images are stored. So as you could see, I've just uploaded one image. So one image is here. These are pages. Okay, so currently I don't have any page installed. As you could see, there's no page installed. So now what I'll do is click on add new. Okay, and I can call this home page and just publish. So if I just publish it and view the page, so this is my home page, as you could see. Now these are the comments which you get on your blog. So let's say you wrote a blog about something and someone comments over here, all your comments would come over here. Okay, appearance is your theme. So currently we installed the Nico theme. This is a really good theme for blog, and it's a free theme. You can customize it. You can click on customize and you can make changes. So every theme has a different customization or option. So you could see the site option. You could select your logo if I want. You can change the colors. For me, you can change the background color, and then you can change the background image. So this image, these are the menus. So I'm going to explain the menus later, and then that's it, guys. And widgets, I'm going to explain the widget as well. So basically widgets are the bottom ones are called widgets. So that's it. So now this is your theme. Now we are going to go on plugins. So plugins are basically extension of your websites. Okay, so basically I have a lot of plugin installed, as you could see over here. So it depends, guys. So if you want to install a new plugin, all you have to do is add new, and then you can install. So let's say I want to install some of the popular plugins. Okay, so Yoast SEO is really good for SEO, so I'm going to install that. It's really easy to install. Click on Yoast SEO and activate, and it's activated. So yeah, so I've made a tutorial, a full tutorial on the Yoast SEO, how to set up Yoast SEO and how to start ranking your website #1 in Google. So the link is down below. Now the next thing is, we'll go on appearance and menus. So as you could see right now, we don't have any menu on our website. So we are going to create a menu. We are going to call this menu, create menu. We can delete this, and just save menu. Once you save the menu, you come back to our site, refresh. So you have to select primary display location, and I always select this as well. So basically when you select this option, when you add a new page, it will automatically get added, so you don't have to manually go and add it. So if I save the changes, and then again I go back to my site, okay, I'm gonna open it in a new tab. As you could see, home over here. So that's done. And now let's say you want to remove all of these things. These are called widgets. So I'm just gonna go back to widgets, and then these are the footer widgets. I'm just gonna push it out. That means it's gonna get removed. That's it, nothing else you have to do. Just come over here and refresh. So as you could see, a lot of things are gone. Now these are remaining: search, recent post, and recent comments, which is over here. Push it out, and then just refresh. So now as you could see, everything is done. I think so we are missing one of these, yeah, and just refresh. So now as you could see, it looks really good. If I go back to my Bluehost, I've created a similar site for yoga. This is yoga. Let's see, view my site. So let me go back, and so yeah, this is the website with the same theme. Looks really good. You could start a yoga blog or something like this, and you could start making money out of it. That's a whole different topic, how to optimize your keywords, but this is it for today. This is the basic WordPress tutorial, just explaining you the WordPress dashboard. That's it, guys. If you really like the video and if you find it valuable, please consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, guys, please let me know, because I'm uploading videos almost every day. Okay, just let me know. I'm gonna help you out. And thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing. It means a lot. And thank you.